Alright, I haven't filmed in a while. Say hey. Alright, we're out here. Steve's coming up with Chaz tomorrow with Chris. Driving up tomorrow with Chris and or Chaz. Alright, cool. Alright, we're heading down Turkey Knob. Let's do it. Just missed some really cool downhill flow. I forgot to turn the camera on. And I got two charging wires sticking out of my, well, one's sticking out of my pocket onto my Garmin because we've been at it so long today that the nav's battery's dying. Hey guys, there's one more behind me. And my phone's dying too, and then I had finance guy at work emailing, trying to get work info from me, which was fun, in the middle of the fucking woods. Dude, this is awesome. Got potty mouth today. Been watching my videos. A lot of F-bombs. Really sorry, folks. Hide your kids. Hide your wife. Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah. Freaking hauling. Oh yeah. I'm doing about 20 right now. That's good pace for me. That was awesome. Going uphill. Turkey Knob. Turkey Knob. So I'm going to film Ridgeline today. I wasn't able to film it yesterday. The action cam didn't have any juice. Well, I just couldn't get it to turn on. I don't know. I have to say, these trails, I like them better than Moab. There's still more flow to them. I mean, the uphill will destroy you. And Wyatt and I, we spent the whole day going uphill. Now we're getting some relief here, coming back down. I'm gonna stop here and wait for him. Peace out.